Hi friends, welcome to Simplifying Maths. Here are the problems on linear equation. 3 into n plus 3 minus 2 into n minus 1 is equals to 5 into n minus 5. So let's name it. This is LHS. This is RHS. So let's write. Let's put this 3 inside the bracket, minus 2 inside the bracket, 5 inside the bracket to make the calculation easier. So let's put them inside the bracket. 3 into n gives me 3n plus 3 into 3 gives me 9. Minus 2 into n gives me minus 2n. Minus 2 into minus 1 gives me plus 2 equal to 5 into n gives me 5n. 5 into minus 5 gives me minus 25. Let's simplify this more further. 3n minus 2n gives me n plus 9 plus 2 gives me plus 11 equal to 5n minus 25. Now in RHS it is plus 5n. When it comes to LHS it will become the minus 5n. So n minus 5n equal to, in LHS it is plus 11. When it goes to RHS it will become the minus 11. So minus 25 minus 11. When I subtract n minus 5n, I'll get minus 4n equal to minus 25 minus 11. Both the signs are equal. Then I need to add them both. 25 plus 11 gives me 36. It is negative sign, so minus 36. N is equals to minus 36 by minus 4. In LHS, minus 4 is the numerator and goes to RHS, the other side it will become the denominator. So let me simplify this more. N value minus minus get cancelled and it will become plus. 4 and 36 gets cancelled, it will become 9. N value is 9. We have got the N value. Our sum is 8m minus 3 by 3m equal to 2. Let us multiply both sides by 3m because it makes our calculation easy. Multiply. These steps are very important. Both sides by 3m. So 8m minus 3 by 3m into 3m is equals to 2 into 3m. Let us simplify this. 3m gets cancelled. Then we'll get 8m minus 3 is equals to 2 into 3m gives us 6m. This is LHS and this is RHS. In RHS it is plus 6m. When it comes to LHS it will become minus 6m. In LHS it is plus 3. When it goes to in LHS it is minus 3. When it goes to RHS it will become the plus 3. So 8m minus 6m gives me 2m. 2m is equals to plus 3. M is equals to 3 by 2. In LHS 2 is a numerator. When it goes to RHS it will become the denominator. We have got the answer. Our problem is m into m minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Let's simplify this. Then it will be m minus, we have to divide this. Denominator is equal for m and minus 1. So we will make it as m by 2 minus 1 by 2. Same applies for RHS. RHS, LHS. In RHS also 1 minus m by 3 minus 2 by 3. Here denominators are different, so let us make everything same. Every denominator same. So m by 1, to make the denominator same, we need to multiply both sides by 6. Because I am taking denominators everything as 6. So 6m by 6. Next one, m by 2 into 3 into 3. That gives me 3m by 6. Already I had my two denominators same. Next make all the denominators same. Like 1 by 2 into 3 into 3. That gives me 3 by 6. 1 by 1 into 6 into 6. That gives me 6 by 6. M by 3 into 2 into 2. That gives me 2m by 6. Here last number, 2 by 3 into 3 into 2, because 2 into 3 is 6, right? Into 2, that gives me 4 by 6. I have got everything in same denominator. I have got everything 6. So let us substitute these values over here. The first number is 6m by 6 minus the second value is 3m by 6. Third value is 3 by 6. My equal to, first value in RHS is 6 by 6. Second value in RHS is 2m by 6. Third value in RHS is 4 by 6. Let us simplify this. 6m by 6 minus 3 by 6 gives me 3m by 6 minus 3 by 6 equal to 6 by 6 minus 4 by 6 gives me 2 by 6 minus 2m by 6. 3m by 6. In RHS, 2m by 6 is having minus sign. When it comes to LHS, it will be the plus sign. That will be 6, 2m by 6. In LHS, it has minus sign. 3 by 6 has minus sign. When it goes to RHS, it will be the plus sign. So 3 by 6. That will be 5m by 6. That will be 5 by 6. Denominators are equal. Cancel them. Then we'll get the answer. 5m is equal to 5. This is 5. M is equal to 1. We have got the answer. M is equal to 1. X plus 4 by x minus 4 equal to 3 by 2. Let us cross multiply. Why we are cross multiplying? So that we will make everything numerators. I will show you how to make everything in numerators by cross multiplying. This is RHS. This is LHS. Okay. In RHS, 2 is in denominator. When it goes to LHS, it will become the numerator. So it will become 2 into x plus 4 equal to, in LHS, x minus 4 is in denominator. When it goes to other side, the RHS, it will be the numerator. So 3 into x minus 4. So let us simplify inside the brackets in LHS as well as RHS. So in LHS, 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 4 is 8 equal to 3 into x is 3x. 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Let's simplify this more further. 2x. In RHS, it is plus 3x. When it goes to LHS, it will become minus 3x. Here minus 12. In our LHS, it is plus 8. When it goes to other side, RHS, it will be the minus 8. So 2x minus 3x, it will be minus x. Here minus 12 minus 8 will be minus 20. X is equal to minus of minus 20. Here they are asking x value. So we have got the minus x value, but they are asking plus x value. So we need to multiply minus in the RHS. So x value is equals to 20. Minus into minus plus. So we have got the plus 20 answer. Answer is 20. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.